board. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick InDesign tutorial for a specific UNT project. So let me share my screen. And alrighty. So please ignore my other thing. It was for a different project. Okay, so for this project, it asks you to first make a new file. So it's going to be, it has to be 8.5 by 11 inches. We're going to do 3 pages. You have to for this assignment, so do 3 pages. Then we're going to create. Okay, for the sake of this assignment, we are going to pretend the first one doesn't exist because this is for magazine and print. The first one is supposed to be like the cover page, but the assignment wants 2 facing pages. So we're just going to focus on this and then we will fix it when we save it. So first it asks us to put in a image. So we're going to use the rectangle frame tool. I found this works best. And then there, we're going to go import file. I'm going to use our classic Buff Kirby. There he is. Okay. Then we're going to do text. Also for reference, if you need to ever add more pages, you go here. You can see what pages you have, and then you can go down here, add page. But right now we're good. Okay, we're going to go back to properties. Now we're going to do text. You have to do title. So in the center of the page. So we're going to name them. They want it centered and in a large font. So we're going to do 60. Buff Kirby. You can use whatever font you want. I, on principle, don't use Minion. Do this one. And then make sure, because it's still in the text box, so we have to go and we have to click here. So, okay, now in a smaller font, we have to do our name. And below that, we have to do our section number. So 1600.20, whatever. We'll do 6 through 8 if you're in one of my classes. And yeah, that's it. So then from here, what we will do is we're going to you can only save it as a InDesign file. I'm not going to save this because peace and love. I already have enough stuff on my computer. So what we're going to do instead is I'm going to export. We have to export it as and export desktop. Okay, so so far so good. I'm going to replace it. I already made one. Okay, so here it'll have all usually instead of range, and it'll have this filled in. So it'll say all pages, but you're going to delete that. It's a text box, and you're going to go 2 through 3. And don't do pages, do spread. And then we're going to export. And then it should be done. It should save as a PDF on your desktop. And that's how we do this assignment. Let me stop sharing. Thank you. I hope this was helpful, and bye-bye.